Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the classic bacon skin in Roblox. First, open the Roblox application and navigate to the avatar editor. This is where you'll customize your character's appearance. Begin by removing any existing clothing, accessories, or custom body parts you might have equipped. Our goal is to start with a completely blank canvas to achieve that iconic default look. Next, let's focus on the key elements that define the bacon skin. Head over to the hair section and find the classic bacon hairstyle. It's usually one of the free default options. After that, move to the face category and select the standard smile face. Make sure no other facial accessories like glasses or masks are currently applied to your avatar. This keeps the look authentic. Now, let's adjust the body parts and colors. Select the default torso and limb shapes to ensure the classic proportions. For the colors, set your avatar's torso to a bright red. Then, change both legs to a dark blue shade. Finally, make sure both arms are set to a light blue color. These specific color combinations are crucial for replicating the original bacon skin appearance. To complete your bacon skin, double-check that no accessories, hats, or shirts are accidentally equipped. Once you're satisfied, save your new avatar outfit so you can easily switch back to it anytime. This ensures your classic look is always ready for your Roblox adventures. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.